So yesterday we saw actually about how to get the Selenium jar files and then the driver file, and then how to actually open the browser we saw, and then enter the URL. Then for page load timeout, how to use it. Then after that actually to identify the element and then do an action. Type on the element means send keys. Click on the element means dot click. Okay, and finally to close the browser, dot close. To close multiple browser, dot quit. Okay, we have seen the command, but we have not applied it. Okay, we will apply it soon. Okay, so let me start this. So first actually where to get your Selenium jar files? seleniumhq.org. Go to the download section. So here, if you come down, you'll have Selenium client and WebDriver language. So Java section is there. So here you have to go and download. The latest version right now is 3.141.59. Okay, so that's what right now we want. Okay, so this is the way to download this jar file. So once you download, you will get a zip file. So the zip file. So you should get a zip file like this. Okay, right click on the zip file. When you click on extract here, then you will get the jar files here. Correct? That's how we used to get it. Okay, so first we got the Selenium jar files. So once you get the Selenium jar files, right click on my project, go to build path, configure build path, then here add external jars. Then after that, here first add this outside these two jar files. Okay, so inside the Selenium 3.141.59. Okay, so I have these two jar files, and then inside we have these jar files. So all these jar files should be added to it. So that's what we have added. Okay, then apply and close it, so that you will get a reference library section here where all your jar files will be present. Okay, so we got all the jar files here added to it. Got it? Everyone clear? So we have got all the jar files here. That is first. Then next thing. So once we got, yeah, yes, tell me.
After adding this jar file, we'll get this reference to libraries folder.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, any new jar files when you add, all those jar files will be there into the reference libraries.
Okay. Okay.
Binary system library will be your Java related jar files, yes, which is created whenever you create a project.
Yes.
Okay, good. So then next actually what we need to work on with actually what Chrome driver or Firefox driver, whatever it is there, based on that we need to download that specific driver files. Okay, so to get that driver files, so where go to the same seleniumhq.org download section. If you come little bit down, so here you will have for Internet Explorer driver. So these things and all working on multiple browsers we will see later. As of now, today I'm going to see for the Chrome browser alone, third-party drivers. Then Google Chrome driver is there. Click on the latest. If it is Mozilla, click on this. Opera browser, click on this. Safari browser, go for it. Okay, like that we have for everything. So now, right now, mine is actually what? Google Chrome driver. Click on the latest. So the latest one is Chrome driver 77. But actually, this driver file they did not work for me yesterday. So I just downgraded to actually what one version 76. It started working for me. Got it? So once I downloaded, it is present here 76. Okay, this is what I took. Okay, so we took this. Okay, so we downloaded it. So right now we got the jar files, we got the driver files. So these two things we got it. Correct? Then after that, how to work on with it? So we will start again. So yeah, this is the place we had. So now I'll create a new class. Login, logout. The same thing. I'll have a main function. So first thing is actually what? I need to open my browser. So to open the browser, I need to give. So right now it's a Chrome browser, right? So I used to give Chrome driver is equal to this. So new Chrome driver. Okay. So now I will mouse over. Then after that, import Chrome driver org.openqa.selenium.chrome. So what it means, there is a package called org.openqa.selenium.chrome that has a class called Chrome driver. Okay, so that I can access all the members from this class. Okay, so this will help me to open the browser. Okay, right click, run as Java application. So will this really open? We will see. It gives me an error starting Chrome driver. Oh, sorry, it gives me actually what? An information over here. And then opens the browser. Can you see? It has opened. So it does not throw me an error, but it opens. What is the reason means? Right, in case if you have your Chrome driver file under your project, okay, that time it is not mandatory for you to give the system.set property. Okay, system.get property user.directory, that information will give, right? The location, that is, we will give system. I'll copy paste system.set property. Then after that, I'm giving WebDriver.Chrome driver because it's a Chrome browser. Then the location where my exe file is present. The location is Chrome driver.exe. Yeah, got it. So that means if your Chrome driver file is present under your project location, so it is not mandatory for me to give this. Otherwise, it is mandatory that I need to give the location where my Chrome driver file is present.
Murli?
Yes.
Here you mentioned that user.directory. What is that? System.set property, sorry, get property user.directory.
Good question. So I'll ask someone. Hey, hi, Jayesh, can you tell me what is the usage of this system.getProperty user.dir?
So basically, this gives me the root path of that this thing directory where the exe is present. So it goes to that location.
No, no. What is that? System.getProperty user.dir. This output of this.
Output of this is your path, absolute path for that where the location is, where that file location is.
That is where the project location.
Project location is.
So,
so it goes to inside that.
Yes.
Yeah, this path.
This is the location. So instead of giving it in a hard-coded way, this is the best way to take for everyone. A good tip.
It gives the absolute path, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
That's correct. Then on top of that, I'm giving Chrome driver.exe. So that's what. So Selenium basics, the project location under that Chrome driver.exe. That is what we are giving here. That answers the question, Virginia?
And then actually I'm not getting user.directory means instead of that path we are giving user.directory means I'm not getting.
No. This is a syntax which helped me to get the project location.
Okay, so wherever I will store my project, this is the syntax for that one.
Correct. If I want to get the project location, get me there. So user.dir. So I'm the user. What is my directory? That directory is the Selenium basics. Get me the actually what location of it. That's what here.
Okay.
Get me the location of the project. That's what we will get. On top of that, Chrome driver.exe. Okay, right?
Yes.
Good. And now I'll run this. So that opens the browser. It has opened. Okay, so here it's Chrome driver. Same thing in case if it is Firefox driver, I'll be giving Firefox driver. If it is Internet Explorer driver, it is Internet Explorer driver will give. Okay, so right now when it comes to actually what framework level, so framework level what we will give means, okay, we will work on multiple browsers. So instead of giving it as Chrome driver, Firefox driver, so that means I can work only on with that specific browser. Okay, so the global level I want to make my object. So what we will do means we will give the reference as the parent interface WebDriver. Okay, so WebDriver we will give. So WebDriver is the parent interface for all the browser related classes. Instead of giving it actually what, creating an object for the child class and then reference also child class, I am giving creating an object for the child class, reference as parent. Got it? That's what we are doing here. Understood? So now we have opened the browser. Now I want to enter the URL. Anyone knows how to enter the URL? Anyone has any idea? Cool. Okay, so let me do it. So driver dot get. So what is this driver? The driver is the browser object here. Okay, so the browser which is open, right? That is actually what my driver name. The name of the browser is driver. So on the browser, you have to get the URL written as whatever you want. So I'm going to give for Murli-pc/login.2. Okay, so I'm going to enter the URL. After entering the URL, what I need to do, I want to enter my username. So for that, I'll get the proper information of it. Inspect name equal to username. So driver dot, okay, find element on the browser. Find the element with the help of by dot name, with the help of name attribute username, then dot send keys, then admin. Got it? So identify the element. Okay, identify the element in the browser, that is what driver. So with the help of the name attribute as username, in that send keys as admin. Got it? Then driver dot find element. The next thing, it enters the username. Next is password. So type is password, name is PWD, class is text field. Yeah. So I will go with actually what XPath. So // @name equal to PWD. So I'll give by dot XPath dot again send keys manager. Enter the username, enter the password. Now click on the checkbox. So input type is checkbox, name is remember, value ID is keep. So now I'll go with the ID. Driver dot find element by dot ID, keep login checkbox. So what is the action? Click. So the next thing, I want to click on this login button. So tag name is A, ID is login button, class is initial. So now I want to take with the help of this class name. So can anyone tell me how to take that? I want someone help. Hey, hi Jagdish. Jagdish, can you tell me?
Sorry, Murli, can you ask me again?
That's right. So now here we have identified the element and then we are doing the click action with help of
Yeah.
ID. Same thing now with help of the class name, I want you to write it. So what is that? I want to click on it. Click on the login button. So what do you do?
Driver dot
Driver dot
find element
find element
by
by
class by dot class.
class name. Yes,
Class
super. The value is initial. Then
initial. Dot click.
dot click, because it's a link type of button.
Click action.
It's a click. So then after that, actually, what once I click on it, for me the page is going to be loaded. So for that, I need to give the implicit wait. So it's always a best practice. After entering the URL, I can give driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicit wait, maximum wait for 30 seconds, time unit dot seconds. So usually we'll go for seconds or minutes. So right now seconds is what usually we prefer. Minutes we'll go for actually what some application where if the page load takes actually what more than 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Otherwise we'll always go with actually what the seconds only.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. A good man. Thanks, Jayesh. So now I want to click on the logout link now. Okay. Instead of logout link, we'll do some more actions. There is a drop down here. Okay. So this type is not the direct drop down. Can you see it's like a text box? Then after that, this one actually what is like a small drop section. Okay. So I want to click on this. Then after that, I need to select some information here. Okay. So for that, I'll take this. So I can take, just give me a minute. ID 6 generation 7. I'll try to take that. So instead of that, I'll take this one. /div @class is equal to. So the wrap I have taken, because why means the ID generation 6, 7, all those things, it's not good practice to take it. So that's why I'm taking it the top level. So X form field wrap. Okay. Then in that it has actually what one image. Okay. So I'll take that /img. So perfect, it matches one. I want to click on it. So then driver dot find element by dot text path dot click. Once I click on it, it's going to give me the information here. In that, I'm going to click Sukumar Murali. So here, right now, I'll go with actually as of now, with help of the name. No, not name. I want to click based on the numbers. So usually actually what we'll be clicking on the first icon or the second information. So the QA that I want to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The fourth thing I'm going to go. So the thing is we have to go with the help of this combo list item. Because why means the combo list items are the informations which are clickable. See, this uses with the department and then after that QA are like the headers. So these, can you see and icon, it comes only when we come to these two places only. See, uses driven and icon. So only these things. So I'm going to take combo list item. Div contains @class, comma, combo list item. Okay, so why actually what I have taken actually what contains means, can you see combo class item X combo selected. So I'm taking actually what whatever it might be, I want to select the second one. If I take equal to means only this one will match. So I want actually what both the things. So that's why I'm taking actually what contains and then taking the common information. So in that I want to click on the second one. driver dot find element by dot xpath of 2 dot click. So now I should click on it. So once I click on it, so for me a change will apply. The page will load, a change will apply. Okay, nothing is gonna come, that's okay. Then after that, I'm going to log out. Okay, so how to log out? So I'll take link text. Dot click. Okay. So then,
Murali, can we use the tag name here for this finding element?
so for this logout,
Yep.
no. The reason began that means, see right now. So what is the tag name for this? It's actually what? A. So when I give // can you see 29 matches are there? Got it? So that will be like actually what the first element which is matching over here is the time track. So for me, my logout is there somewhere actually what 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on the 12th element. So where that not, if I want to click on the time track, going with actually what the A tag is okay. Okay, right? By the tag name A, if I give, it will click on the first one. But for me, mine is there in the 12th, which will not work for me. Got it, right?
Yeah, got it, Murali.
So now let me run this. Yesterday, the same thing, whatever we saw is what again we saw. I know that. But the thing is actually what? The basic steps are important for you because I want everyone today to automate one scenario. That's why I'm doing it one by same thing again and again. Not a problem if you're learning slow also, but important thing is you should be able to do that action. So now we should click on it, but it's not able to click. We'll see what is the problem. Okay, still it's running. Okay, it has thrown an error. So we'll see what is the problem. The line number 20th. So this place is unable to click. What is the problem? Let me see. Okay, see, it's not able to identify that. It's not able to identify. So let me check. Okay, the space is here. So now it's matching. Okay, before the space was not there. So XPath is wrong for me. The XPath was wrong. Okay, there were some space over here before. Okay, I just removed that. See, it's able to select Sukumar Murli. Then finally is able to log out now. Clear? Everyone clear? Understood, guys? Any questions for anyone on this? Any questions for anyone on this? Can everyone ping me as yes? Can I get a reply from everyone as yes? Okay. So now I will give you 5 minutes of time. Okay. I want everyone open your Eclipse, create a project, download the Selenium jar files, and then download the Chrome driver file. Then after that, actually what? Just try to actually what? Open the browser, enter the URL. Okay. Only this one alone. Understood? Everyone, right now I want you to do, open your Eclipse. Okay. Then after that, actually what? Add the jar files, then add the Chrome driver exe file. Then after that, open the browser, enter the URL. These 3 steps alone, I want you to do right now. Okay. Can you guys do? I want everyone to do it right now. Can I get a reply? As yes, can everyone do now? It's mandatory. I want everyone to do it. All the members in the panel right now, everyone has to do. Okay. I did not get a reply from anyone. Okay. What about Jagdish? Yeah. Okay. Jayesh, Praveen, Prajesh is given. Praveen, Prajna. Okay, guys. So try it right now. Just 5 minutes. So if you're facing issues, we will sort out today. Okay. So tomorrow we will take the topics over, the not a problem. But everyone, I want today to make sure you have to add the jar files and then do it. Okay. So I'll be in the call. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Okay. Today, end of the day, when we are completing the session, everyone should be able to write the Selenium code. Okay. That's what we are doing here. Okay. Thanks, guys. So 5 minutes of time. I'll be in the call. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Yeah. Thank you. You can ping me in the chat if you have any doubts. Hey guys, you guys are able to do it? Any questions so far?
Murli, sorry, I forgot which jars needs to get downloaded.
Cool, cool. That's okay. No worries. That's what actually I just want make sure everyone to try it today. That's fine.
I
And
went to selenium.hq downloads.
yes,
I'm that only.
here Selenium client and WebDriver for Java.
Java, right? Yeah. Give me 5 minutes, I'll do.
Sure, sure, sure. No worries. Anyone has any other questions, guys?
Murli, I'm done. I pinged you the code also.
Oh, great. Your code is running
Yes, it is opening and
in
going to.
WebDriver. Awesome. Good, good, Jayesh. Super. Guys, others? Jagadish, Rajniya, Praveen. For you guys, it's working. Okay, cool. Okay, cool guys. So I want everyone to make sure today you guys are going to actually what add the jar files and then get the driver file, and then you have to actually what just do a login and logout scenario. Okay, so now you're able to actually what, open the browser, enter the URL. The same thing. I want you to just log in and log out. So you guys know how to actually what pass the text keys over there. then same thing actually what you're able to click on it. So that is more than enough for your actually what login and logout. Okay, I want you guys to actually what do this and then come for me tomorrow if you have any doubts. Okay, thanks guys. So with this I'll stop for today. Tomorrow we will again start. Thank you. Bye guys. Hey, yeah, Praveen, you have an issue? Yes, we can see it right now. Yes, can you please share the screen? I'll
Sure,
stop.
Murali.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what's happening? You're trying to run this program?
Yeah. So I did not use the properties because I already have this Chrome drivers here. So I did not use that line which you said like
Yes.
if I have that exe. So I just skipped that and directly enter this WebDriver. I just want to open a Chrome browser.
Can you open the reference libraries also? We'll see the jar files. Okay, cool. Yes. Now can you run the program?
No, I'm not. Today only I installed this Eclipse. I'm not sure like did I miss anything installing this?
There are no recent launches. Okay, click on it. Right, click on OK. Right click on the program now. Right click on the program. Go to the program. Right click. No, program. So no, inside the program.
Okay.
Yeah. Then run as. Okay, cool. So what do? You just create a new class file over there. Right now, the default file which is open package info.java might be that's creating from new. Create a new class. New class. Right click on the first automation
Okay.
package. Right click on the first automation package. Then create a new class.
Okay.
Create a new class. Selenium usage or any name. Usually the class name should be starts with uppercase, but it's not a problem. Okay. Yes. Then give the main function. So here you give that information, WebDriver driver, copy paste that code. No, 8th line alone. Yaps. Now can you run it? Okay. Okay. So except you cannot run. Okay, to start that is giving a problem. So which is the version you have got the Chrome driver?
I think it's 7.6. Let me check.
Yeah. It's
The current one which I'm asking.
yeah, the version of the
The
Chrome.
current one.
The Chrome
Yeah.
driver which you have downloaded.
I just downloaded the latest one.
Can you downgrade? Because I also had the same issue. Once I downgraded, it fixed the issue, right? Same like that. Can you
Okay.
check it once?
Okay.
Go with
So you want me
76.
to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Seleniumhq.org. Yes. down. You just go back. Can you go back?
Can I use this one? 76.
Yes. Before that, can you click on the downloads? Yeah, downloads. They don't. They're all versions available in downloads. Yes. So 77 is the latest. So which one you download? Come scroll down. Scroll down. So which one you downloaded?
I
77.
did the last one. I mean 77. Yeah.
Okay, go for 76. Yeah, download this. Can you download that? Windows 32.
I downloaded it. Let me
Is that the latest one?
check it. This is the one.
Okay, yeah. Can you go and copy in a different folder and paste it?
Yeah.
You can delete that existing Chrome driver. Yes, the .exe file also. Yeah. Right click, extract here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
On Eclipse as well. I can delete this and I can
Yeah.
paste it again, right?
Yes. Yeah. So I want you to rename that one. Can you delete it there? Just go to the right click on the project. Right click on the project. Properties. Go to that location. Go to that, copy the location and go to that specific location there in the file explorer. Go to the location. No. This is zip file, right?
Yeah, that's a zip file.
No, zip file will not work, right? So right click, extract here.
Oh, I think only the zip file got copied. Okay, got
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
No. Go there. Go there. Go there.
I can delete this, right? I don't want the zip file.
No. You don't delete. Go there to the location. Go to the location. Yeah. Right click, extract here. You're able to extract.
Yeah, just did it.
Yeah. Then delete the zip.
Yeah.
Now go to that place and then refresh the project folder.
Yeah, got it. EXE.
Now try to run the program. Okay, so can you just scroll up? We'll see what is the problem. Scroll up a little bit in the console. Okay, nothing, no worries. Can you go to the Chrome driver, Chrome browser and check whether you're using the latest browser or an old version of browser? About Google Chrome. Okay, you're using 76 only. Cool, then that's okay. So just give that system.set property, that option, that will work. System.set property before that line.
You want me to?
I'll give you the code. The same code, copy paste.
You ping me anywhere?
Yeah, I pinged in the chat, Zoom chat window.
Okay.
Yeah. Now run it. What is that coming? Okay, let me take the control once. Just give me the control. We'll see once. Where is that? You have the seleniumhq.org?
I just closed that, Murali.
Okay.
You can put that in C folder. Yeah.
in this place, Selenium basics. Well, that's a keep it. Hey, sure, Jesh, sure. Okay, it's blocking it. That's the reason. So you're having some software you're running, right? That is why you actually what the security for virus or something.
Right, but I'm using in my office laptop actually, but still we can open it, right?
No, it's like this. Can you see here? They have each and every time when you're trying to run, right? They have blocked it. Can you see? Because if the .exe file, if it is running, then only actually what your what is it? Your control between the Eclipse and then the browser will be transferred. So the .exe file, it's trying to stop running over there. That's the reason. So it's like you have to actually get an exception from your office. I hope so. So hopefully you can ask your friend.
Let me check with my colleagues because people still use Selenium in my office. Let me check how they are using.
Correct. So just check with them that the Chrome driver.exe file is there. Right? So when it's trying to invoke that, it's giving an error.
Sure, Murli, yeah.
That's what the error was coming each and every time. It's blocking it.
Sure, Murli. I'll just check that, Murli.
Sure. Okay, man. Good. You can just show them this error if you want. You can take a screenshot of that and then you can show them. No, nothing. If you run only, actually, what the error will come. You just run the program. Then if they see only, they'll get to know how they cleared that error.
Hey, Murli.
Yes.
I think like people have left. I'm just asking you one more thing. Like, there was one message I got. Whenever in some applications, if you notice a Chrome notification that can block Selenium interactions, or to disable those notifications, you can use the below code. The code goes like this: Chrome options is equal to new Chrome options. So what is the how can we use that?
No.
Will that help me out? This Chrome options?
No. That is the capabilities over there. that Chrome
Okay.
options, all those things are capabilities over here. So right now here actually what they are blocking it. So this blockage actually what Chrome options will not support.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So
Okay.
this
Then let me check with colleagues and get back to you.
yeah. So trusted
Sure, Murali.
certificate,
Thanks a lot,
like
Murali.
those things we can handle
Mhm.
with that. Certificate issue,
Okay.
those things.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Got it, Murali. I'll just check and get back to you, Murali.
Sure,
Thank you so
sure.
much.
Okay, man. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, guys.